Well, hello. Today from Spring Island, the Barefoot Botanist, I wanted to talk to you about a new ground cover plant, a native plant. Hopefully some folks will have some success with it on Spring Island. But it's called Frogfruits, or Phyla notiflora, if you're getting Latin about things. But what I've done is I've found young plants of this on my property and brought them into the island and started propagating them. I've heard that it was a good ground cover and had never used it for that purpose. One of the reasons it's good is because it attracts butterflies and bees. A lot of good pollinators come to the flowers on this. It's a good insect attractor or pollinator attractor because it's in the same family with the verbenas, if you're familiar with those. I've got one here as an example. And the flowers on the frog fruits are basically a miniature version of what you might know as a verbena. And they will be covered with these little flowers. The other good thing about it is they don't get much taller than, say, maybe 2 inches, 2 or 3 inches. Also, they can tolerate some traffic, foot traffic. You know, if like your lawn, you wanted to walk on once in a while, this is not going to be hurt by foot traffic. And they're very versatile. Full sun, hard shade, dry or wet areas. It says they can even tolerate flooding. So with some of the rains we've had lately, that may be a good thing. So to look at these, what you can see is we grow them in a flat and they become pretty dense, almost like sod would be, like a lawn. And once they get to that point, then we take them out and we pull them apart into smaller sections, smaller pieces, and then put those into 6-pack flats as these are. These were just done this morning. And then this is, say, 2 weeks later, and then you have over here maybe 3 weeks, and these are what are going out sold, what people are planting in the yard. So that's the various stages of it until they completely cover the area where they're planted. So a good alternative to a lot of non-native ground covers or sod grass, because they're good for the pollinators and native plants and tolerant of a lot of our environmental conditions. So hope these do well.